Let's talk about Levivo drink dispenser made of glass, with tap, ideal for the home bar exclusive Gräfe Booklet Sommerdrinks selbst, gemacht free with drink dispenser with tap, 8 liters filling volume. Cool drink dispenser in summer, set for refreshing beverages. Large drinks dispenser made of glass with tap, exclusive Gräfe Booklet Sommerdrinks selbst, gemacht with recipes for lemonade, iced tea, etc. 8-liter thick wall juice dispenser with metal screw cap and tap for pouring, protects against insects in summer. The level is directly visible and everyone has fun with the tap. Perfect for garden parties, buffets, summer parties or birthdays. Also as a water dispenser for children, soda dispenser for the home bar and juice dispenser for buffets at brunch and breakfast. Decorative retro design with relief inscription, suitable for carbonated cold drinks such as beer, punch and lemonade, as well as for juice, water or iced tea. Scope of delivery: drink dispenser 8 liters. Dimensions: approximately 32 by 19 centimeters. Capacity: 8 liters. Includes instructions for use and Gräfe Unzer Booklet Sommerdrinks selbst, gemacht. Leaked out of the box, had to return. Nice size, but the tap seal drips a lot. Got some screw to fix it and seems to have worked. Great.